Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty
and Beyond!
Yay! Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do another eating fun. Okay, I'm looking at kasi parang it looks so dark from the monitor, but okay lang pala. So guys, oh my god, excited na ba kayo to eat together with us? And today we are going to eat donuts again from
Krispy Kreme.
ano ba yan? Give some energy naman. Again. So today we are going to eat donuts from
Krispy Kreme.
My God, they are such a fail talaga. Ano na, kasi wala na silang energy guys, hindi pa sila nakain kaya they are so excited to eat already kaya they don't have energy anymore. So, ayan, these are all the donuts that we got. I paid $795 for this one because this is a double dozen donuts. So if you are going to buy donuts from Krispy Kreme and if you are planning to buy 2 dozen donut, make sure na you get the double dozen donut kasi mas makakatipid talaga kayo doon. It's because if you're going to buy each donut, I think iba-iba yung pricing nila. Like on this one, iba yung price. Like this is $59, diba? Diba? Oh my God, my stomach. Did you hear the growling of my stomach, guys? I'm so hungry already. So, iba-iba yung prices. Usually, it ranges from like 42 pesos ba? Yung each ng Krispy Kreme. Kasi, what I have remembered yung yung honey dip lang, it's 39 pesos, diba? So, yung mga special premium donuts nila, it's around 42 pesos. So, you could really save money if you are just going to buy the double dozen donut kasi it's only 795 pesos, diba? So, ayan, with that all being said, I'm not gonna price each of the donut, guys, kasi I did not remember the pricing and, ayun, yeah. Just buy the double dozen or the 1 dozen donut. Ayan, para mas makatipid kayo. Yan! So, like I've said, we've got the half dozen donuts. So, eto yun. We got each of the flavors that they have. They have 12 flavors all in all. So, I requested the person there that I wanted this one. Now, of course, we don't get the glazed donut na. Ano ba yan, ate? You're always interrupting me. So, yan. Sabi ko sa na dalawang ganito pero he did not do that. Tatlong matcha tuloy. So, some of the donuts are yung tatlo each. So, that was such a bummer. Gusto pa naman namin ng dalawang ganito. Anong tawag nito? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag nito. Ayan. And also, 2 of this one. But, well, let's just do what we can do for now. So, ang haba na ng intro. And let's get started eating na! Are you excited? Hey!
What?
Are you excited to eat?
Yes. No.
What about you? Obviously. So, let's get started eating! Yay! So, guys, let's start eating. So, meron pala kaming Coca-Cola dito as our drinks for today. Yeah, Coca-Cola today kasi walang Pepsi sa SM. Doon lang kami nagpunta sa SM. So, Coke Zero. Ayan, sabi ni Rookie, dapat mag-tea daw kami. Who drinks tea when you eat donut? You eat all the junks.
Ew.
So, ayan. So, which one are we gonna eat first? So, let's try this one lang each. I don't know what's the name of this one, pero let's try looking up in the internet kung anong pangalan nito. Ako first, ikaw. Ako lang eh. I'm the mother.
I'm the father.
Aba, ba? Tastes good. Feeling mo lang yan. May feeling? Yeah, it has feeling. Next. This one, matcha? Yeah, let's try the matcha. Oh God, this... Merong Kit Kat. It has a tail, looks like a turtle. Kaya una,
Oh, good.
Kana jud imuhan, it's not a donut. May kasunod, oh. Lami.
Tea.
Ang matcha, obviously. You just take it off.
Murag tea.
May feeling wala. I don't think this has feeling. Ang feeling niya is this one. Wala, mahaba.
Murag milk tea.
Tastes so good.
Murag milk tea.
Sunod na na to. So, ikan sa'yo na, oh.
Yes, me first.
You should eat the tail.
No! Wow, sanaan.
There's a
Someone-
stalker
there's a
over
stalker.
there. My God, naglaway ni ate.
How did she get all of it? Kaya ka ni. Kanya?
I'm just going to comment quickly. The last time that I ate Krispy Kreme, it was so sweet. But right now, hindi siya masyadong, sweet na. Yeah. What are you looking at? The monitors here, bro. So, ayun lang. Medyo na siya. Hindi na siya masyadong, can I have a tissue? Hindi na siya masyadong sweet. You wanna taste this? But masiigo ang kuan, ha? Okay, go out na. Next. What's next? Kani? Boston cream. This is kuan. Sprinkle. So, next one. Kamauna ng strawberry sprinkle. Sprinkles taste good. Hindi na siya tamis. I think they heard the people that their donuts are so sweet, but now it's not sweet anymore. This is, I don't know, we don't know if the name. O, ikaw diha una, okay. Para ana. You're like a doge na nagluway. I think this is cronuts, kanang cake donut. Yeah, this one is a cake donut. Cronut. Nami. Sarap.
Kapal na lang mabili na ako. Grabe sa daling papa.
Wow, ako na sa una sa lami ang cronut. Kana cronut na. Ay, kana sa una.
Oh, ikaw.
Ano ba talaga?
Ako na.
I could really say na iba yung taste niya it's different from Dunkin' Donut. It is so good. Oh my God, thumbs up for Krispy Kreme. They changed their taste. It's not so sweet anymore. Nani ga midori? Kani? Midori? Oh, wish you. Na lang.
Ako
Where's
na.
my face?
Ikaw na. Let's show this to the camera.
Ako na.
Not us.
Pwede mo bite ka dari na sa'yo.
To sit then iyahang giurot.
Yung daamis.
Let's try this. Oh, ikaw na sa una, oh. No? Wow! Meron pala siyang feeling, guys. Ayan. Wow!
Nabutongan, oh. Wow, nagkalan.
Yeah. Let's do this. No? So, next is this one. I don't know what is the name of this one, obviously. So, we're gonna get a bite. This is not very surprising to me. Okay, I think this one is, yung comparison niya is Choco Waco from Dunkin', but kasi una. So this is like, amazing. Like, ano siya?
Oh my God.
Parang may glaze.
I want
And then,
that.
sprinkle.
More akong favorite.
Ganan ko sa strawberry.
Hindi kayo ganahan sa strawberry.
Namian ko ani kani o kani.
Oh my God.
Actually lang sa kanan.
Yum, no?
I see that.
Hindi ka siya tamis na. So, last but not the least, ito yung isa lang na binigay ni Kuya. Sana dinalawa mo ko to, Kuya. Ayan, ako una.
Short.
I really like strawberry sa na-glaze.
Oh, you have a big mouth.
Skittles. I'm so full na.
So, I think we already tasted all the flavors na we think that we did not taste yung each of the flavors that they have. So, now it's time to eat like freestyle! Ay, hindi pa. Ano pa palang isa? Eto. We almost forgot this one.
Si Baba first kaya ganun.
Yeah ba? Yung first ba?
Yeah.
This is... Nami ba? Serious na to. Kanina, joke lang. So now, let's eat freestyle.
Okay. Hala, laki feeling.
No? I like donut better than fries. Diba? Kapag takahuman. So friends, oh my God! We are done eating our donut. Medyo marami pa yung natira. Finally daw sabi ni Baba.
Done, but we are full.
For now, we are done because
We are full.
yeah, sa umpisa,
Yeah,
you feel like you could really eat it all. Yeah, I think I could really eat it all. But
Yeah,
when you
I know.
start eating already, it feels like blah.
Yeah,
And
I thought I took up it.
so we have like 2 dozen, so 24 donuts, and there are still like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 donuts that are not touched. No,
10.
not touched.
One
This
dozen.
one is already eaten na.
1
But-
dozen.
Yeah, tapos si Rookie, kumuha din siya yung mga tira namin kanina, yung half na kinainan namin. He got that one, then I think gusto pa niyang kumain, especially this one because he really like this one, this cronuts from, masarap yung cronuts
Kanina,
na.
good yan.
Sixth one.
After I finish this one, yung isa kasi dalawang ganito kanina, tapos parang that's the time that I said to myself, oh my God, that would be the last one for now kasi parang I feel
Luod
weird already. Yeah, luod. I don't know what's the Tagalog for luod. Parang
Yucky.
luod, yucky. Basta parang parang lalabas. Basta yun na yun. So, we are also planning, of course, to give Lululoy and Anma some donut. Eto lang na donut kasi hindi nila gusto yung mga fancy na donut. Especially Lululoy. Gusto lang niya yung simple na donut. But,
Sprinkles.
yun nga, sabi ni ate na, wow, wag daw eto na donut yung may sprinkle na chocolate kasi last time pinapili niya si Lululoy tapos yung pinili daw ni Lululoy yung sprinkle na donut na gusto ni ate. Si Baba muna yung unang tatanungin natin. Of all the flavors that you tasted, what is your favorite one?
The one I ate.
What was that? Yung donut na may choco, tapos may sprinkle na nut. Ano sa to nga? Nut? Oy, kanang cashew nut. Cashew. Oh, yeah. Yung favorite ni Baba is yung choco cashew na sprinkle na peanut. And then, what about you, te?
Course.
What's
Recess.
your favorite
Wala
one?
ko ba? Kami.
Yeah.
Kami sila. Kani, ha? Kani, ganan ko.
Let natin try.
And Mary.
So the ultimate one, which is your, like, if you're going to choose. Okay, ultimate. So you have 3 choices. So for me naman, I like the classic Boston cream. Yeah, I am a very boring person, guys. I like the classic Boston cream. I thought that I would like the matcha, but it's too over. I feel like, yeah, over. Unlike with, if I'm going to compare that one, the matcha one with the Dunkin', I like the Dunkin' Donuts DD bars more compare on this one. So, ayan, I really like the Boston cream. Definitely my all-time favorite from Krispy Kreme. Yeah, this is Boston cream. And this one, I don't know what's the name of this one. I really like this one too. And of course, strawberry sprinkle. Who doesn't like strawberry sprinkle? Definitely, I like this one. So as you can see, we have still a lot of donuts. Of course, we are just going to, you know, put this inside the fridge. Yeah, for later. Kasi we'll be watching a series, a TV series later. We got hooked on watching the, I don't know if you have seen that one, the Designated Survivor, guys. Oh my god, it was so thrilling. We really liked that one. And of course, I like Kiefer Sutherland. Kaya if you watch 24, diba, who doesn't watch 24? So that's why we started watching Designated Survivor. So that is out of the topic. So ayan, I think we are finally done with our eating for today with our Krispy Kreme donuts. And we are so full already. We are so excited to eat something a little salty na kasi blah blah blah, my tongue is so blah 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 already. So I think that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. And yeah, did you enjoy, ate? Did you enjoy, baba? Like I've said, I hope you enjoyed watching this one, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Yung mga bago dyan sa aking channel, mag-subscribe na kayo. And also make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing out any. You will be missing daw. So you will not be missing out any of my videos, especially yung mga eating videos like this. I really love watching eating video. That's why I also wanted to do an eating video kasi who doesn't like to eat, diba? And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And we will see you on our next video. Bye!